Ready to skyrocket your trading success? This video is your ultimate guide. Learn how to choose the best brokers, master trading robots, and trade smarter, not harder. Don't miss out. Watch now to unlock your trading potential. It's exactly 10 o'clock New York time, which means the stock exchange is trading quite regularly and there's a lot of volume in the market. And here you can find the different spreads and commissions of the best brokers. Here we have, on one side, IC Markets, which is one of the cheapest and best brokers in the world with the lowest spreads. Here you normally pay $7 per lot, and with my code, which you can find in the video description below, that's only 5.67 euros per lot. On the right side, we see a low-cost broker, which means it doesn't offer a lot of service, but it also has relatively good fees. We are in the gold market now. We'll take a look at that in the Euro-US dollar, the most traded currency pair in the world. How it behaves there. Here we are at 2 euros per lot, when buying and selling, put together. That means $1 per lot when buying and $1 when selling. Here we are at RoboForex, that's also my personal choice, for the simple reason that if you use my affiliate code, you get a 25% discount on the commission and on the spread. And the whole thing is automatically included here. That means that's the price you pay. You get 25% cash back every day. That means if you sign up and then trade using my code, you get 25% on commission and spread every day. And that's how you get extremely cheap prices. We can see that here, compared to IC Markets, we're partly at half. Of course, it also happens, when the spread is a bit higher, that you're above it, but most of the time, you're actually below IC Markets. And that's really sensational. And as I said, it only works if you use my code, which you can also find in the video description below. I'll let this run for another 20 to 30 seconds and then we'll switch to Euro to US dollar. By the way, another advantage, if you say, for example, RoboForex is a bit more expensive here and there, if you work with trading robots, you can always enter a spread. That means, you say, you never want to pay more than, for example, 1 or 2 points spread. And then it really waits until this condition is met. And you can see that, that's within 1, 2, 3 seconds, that happens all the time, that we're partly at 1 point spread, 2 point spread, 0 point spread. That means, if you enter that in addition, then you can be relatively sure that you're cheaper than IC Markets. Here we are now with all three in the Euro to US dollar, and you can see RoboForex is also very far ahead here. As I said, if you still enter the spread, then you really trade as cheaply as anywhere else. IC Markets is also great, the spread is of course fantastic, but the basic fee is of course a bit higher and HankoTrade is somewhere in the middle. So, as I said, these are all three fantastic brokers, and with all three brokers you have access to the club area of my website on www.ForexStrategy.club. Here you'll find extra videos, expert advisors, and tools for free. How all this works, you can find below in the video description and on my website. You can register there. If you go to one of these three brokers and register via my link, you get a lot more knowledge, articles, settings for certain trading robots, everything, as I said, on my website. And I'll leave you alone with the corresponding fees for the different brokers. So, I can recommend all three of them without exception. My personal recommendation is RoboForex. I trade there myself. You have the advantage of having a lot of account types with RoboForex. Of course, you can also trade completely commission-free. But, and that is the big advantage, you can also trade send accounts. That means you can try out robots. For example, you pay $100 and it is done as if it were $10,000. That is a huge advantage if you test, for example, a little bit of a send advisor. i.e. trading robots that require a lot of capital, but you don't want to put in $10,000, $20,000, $100,000 every time. So you put in a small amount and you can test the whole thing under real conditions with RoboForex. Because, let's face it, only under real conditions, only with real money, are all really real tests. In the demo account, the brokers can trick a little bit with the slippage, with the spread, let's put it that way. I don't want to say cheating, but tricking. In the Sen account, you trade under real conditions and you can test the whole thing. So even if you want to test your manual trading, do it in the Sen account. You don't lose a lot of money and you see if your strategy works accordingly. So, as I said, my recommendation is RoboForex, but the other two are also great brokers. They are known worldwide, especially IC Markets and RoboForex. HankoTrade is rather unknown, but as I said, they are also super cheap and offer a great service. If you like the video, please leave a like. That helps my little channel. In the future, we will come to the topic of trading robots, forex trading, indicators, etc. So, as I said, please leave a comment and like the video. See you in the next video.